cool. Ryan just walked down with her.
Hey, Kai. Okay, Kai. You ready? Ready again? You ready?
Here you go. Do you want me to push or are you okay?
Slippery.
That's why I was like, I don't want to get down there. I'll probably get stuck and can't come up the hill. Here we go.
Let's get down.
Uncle Ryan and Morgan.
You can pick the other one, right?
Yeah. Okay. Want me to push you? Was that fun? Aren't these great little hills, Ryan? Okay, here, are we going to race?
Where's Kylie? Yeah, we have fun, huh? Want me to hold her?
Oh, that was awesome. That worked perfectly.